In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a workflow in N8N that helps reduce unwanted emails by automatically handling messages as they arrive. First, create a new workflow and add a Gmail trigger or IMAP email trigger node to monitor your inbox for new emails. Next, add an IF node to filter emails based on conditions like the sender's address, subject, labels, or keywords. For example, you can target newsletters, promotional emails, or notifications that you don't need to read immediately. After that, add a Gmail action node to automatically archive the email, apply a label, move it to another folder, mark it as read, or delete it, depending on how you want to manage your inbox. To make the workflow even smarter, you can add additional conditions or integrate AI to categorize emails before deciding what action to take. Once your workflow is complete, click Execute Workflow to test it, then activate it so it runs automatically whenever new emails arrive. And that's it! You've successfully created an N8N workflow to automatically organize unwanted emails and keep your inbox clean with minimal effort. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.